Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I received my non-subscription order of the curl box. I think it's called the Braid box, and for this box it is like all Qhemet Biologic products. So today I will be going over with you what is in the box, and now I'm going to style my hair with these products. So it comes with these magazine booklet thing, and it says Breathe on the back. And let's get right into these products. So the first thing I see is this Amla olive heavy cream with castor oil and Ayurvedic botanicals. It says it softens and moisturizes very dry, coarse hair. So I'm thinking this one's gonna work really well for me, and this is it right here. The next, I think these are all full size too. Well, these that I'm looking at right here are full size. The next product is the Burdock root butter cream with olive and nettle leaf. It softens and moisturizes fine, thin hair. I do not have fine or thin hair, so I mean I'll still try and see if it works on my hair, but I'm pretty sure like this is for someone maybe with looser texture hair. And then I think the last, or maybe one of the last full size products in this box is I can't speak today, y'all. One of the next products is the Cocoa Tree Detangling Ghee with barley grass and nettle leaf. It softens and detangles thick, dry hair. So I think this will work really good for me too. And then we have a few smaller products in the box now, and that is this coconut and green tea softening serum. So I think this makes like oil for your scalp or hair, and it says it softens dry hair. And I don't know if this is like a full size or like a deluxe sample size, but you don't really need a lot of oil on your hair anyways. Yawn a little louder, why don't you? And then we have a sample size of the Olive and Honey Hydrating Balm that softens. And this is a lot of softening and hydrating going on with this line, guys. And then the last thing in the box is some Sedge and Bee Natural Deodorant with coconut oil. It is aluminum free and paraben free. Provides natural and effective odor neutralization. So I live in Atlanta, well, I live in Georgia, so I will let y'all know how this works after I wear it to Six Flags. So today I have washed and conditioned my hair, and I think I'm just gonna do a braid out with these products to kind of see how moisturizing they are. There's not really a like a styler that is, you know, it promises a lot of hold, so I'll just do a regular braid out and see how these products react in my hair. So for my braid out today, I think I am going to try I'm like stuck. I don't know if I want to try the Amla and Olive Heavy Cream or the Cocoa Tree Detangling Ghee. Like, maybe I'll do one with both of these. Maybe I'll do a twist out with this one and the braid out with this one. So I think I'm going to go with the heavy cream. So I'm just gonna, where is my rat tail comb? If any of you guys were wondering, my hair type is 4C. For the most part, it's 4C. I have like a couple patches of looser texture hair, but it's like 4B, but my hair is 4C. So I have high hopes for this product when it comes to moisturizing my extremely thick, coarse 4C hair. that in there because we don't want to waste nothing. And so this is what the product looks like. This is the consistency. It's pretty thick. It's like really thick. It's not moving. It feels very creamy too, so this looks like it's gonna feel really good in my hair. It does smell a lot like olive oil too. So I'm gonna start in the back of my hair. I'm just gonna section with my fingers this back part right here. And the parts don't have to be neat at all, guys, because at the end of your braid out you don't want like defined parts. And then I'm gonna pull the rest of it out into a ponytail. Okay, looks cute. So for the sake of time, I decided to speed this up and do a voiceover. So for my braid out, I like to do rows, and I split that back section into 2, and I'm just distributing the product over on my little strands. I noticed that I actually had to use a lot more product than I thought I would have to, but it was absorbing pretty quickly into my hair, so every time I would rub it in, it kind of didn't feel like nothing was on my hair. I also noticed that this product did not have a lot of slip or a lot of, like, it didn't define my curls. Everything just kind of felt soft. It was soft and really fluffy. So now I am going to braid that section. I like to get really close to the roots and braid really tight so that my hair kind of lays down a little bit. Well, it's not gonna lay down, but I just like for, you know, my roots to not be as puffy. So I'm just gonna braid all the way down, and I like to kind of comb through my ends too. And so after I braid down to a point where the braid starts to get smaller, I twist the rest of the hair so that I don't get those like really crinkly, straggly looking ends, and the end of my hair has a nice curl to it. This product, like as I start to work it through, it starts to foam up a little bit, but I feel like it's going to absorb into my hair really well. Okay, you know what I had realized in my last clip before I stop? I also wanted to try this serum out, and I always use an oil in my hair. I was like, I know I'm forgetting something, so I had to go back and put oil on my other sections, and I'm going to continue now. As far as the oil serum, well, it's called a serum, but to me it's an oil. I actually really like the serum. It wasn't really, I didn't need a lot to cover my strands, and it made my hair feel very soft. And I actually had to stop myself from combing through my hair after putting the oil because it made my hair feel so soft that I was like, oh, let me just go ahead and re-detangle. So for the most part, I have finished my whole hair. I got this tiny section left in the front. I'm actually excited to see how this turns out in the morning. These products definitely feel different from most of the products I've used on my hair. I guess I could just do 2 more sections, yeah. So I'm just gonna go in with the oil first and put that all over the hair. This oil actually feels really good on the hair. It makes your hair feel really soft, and it just feels like it's like being absorbed in the hair. So I'm getting that from root to ends because my hair is still actually damp. So instead of using a liquid oil and cream, I just try to finish braiding my hair before it dries, and I just seal in the water with the oil. It's so funny because at the beginning of this year, I cut like 4 inches of my hair off, and I was just irritated with my ends. I just chopped off a lot more hair than I needed, and my hair has already grown back, mainly because I don't actually wear my hair out. I wear my hair in a lot of protective styles, so usually you will catch me with a different type of wig on every day. But for the summer, I have definitely been wearing my hair a lot more. So I have been loving braid outs because they keep my hair stretched, because I have tried so hard and so long to get the right wash and go technique down, but because of my hair type and just the thickness of it, usually wash and goes don't work well for me. I usually get a lot of product residue left on my hair even after it dries, and then after like a week or so I start getting really bad single strand knots. So my favorite thing is a style that stretches my hair out, so I don't have to worry about having to cut unnecessary hair off. Last section. Ooh. Okay guys, so I am back. It is the next day and I'm getting ready to take down my braid out. First of all, this took so long to dry. Like, whatever type of ingredients they put in there, those are some strong humectants. Granted, it is kind of humid in Georgia right now, well, Atlanta area right now, but yes, it took my hair forever to dry, so I just had to go sit under my hooded dryer for like a good 15 minutes to get it to finish drying the rest of the way. And now I am here for this takedown, just feeling my braids. They are super soft and very moisturized, so definitely these products are great for dry, thick, coarse hair. If you hear anything in the background, it's probably boyfriend playing music. So guys, if you can tell by my hair as I'm taking it down, there is not a lot of definition. This probably isn't, you know, a braid out that I wear outside, because one, is raining and it's humid. So if I walked outside with this product and just feeling how it draws moisture to your hair, my hair will shrink up like a little shrub just to my scalp. But this product is amazing for moisture. I will definitely say, if you have super dry hair, just try these out. You won't have dry hair anymore. But if you're looking for definition, you might have to add a gel. And for the sake of this video, I didn't add any gel to my hair, which I usually do, because I just wanted to see how these products work. But I feel like if I added a gel to this braid out, it would come out bomb as fuck. But I just wanted to see how these products work, so this is them by themselves. So, like, You can see the shine on my hands, guys. Like, this stuff is really, really moisturizing. I have a nice thick layer of moisture on my hair. My hair feels very soft and very fluffy. It still feels damp, but at this point I'm not thinking that it's damp. I think it's just so moisturized, it just feels kind of wet, but like, I don't know like how to describe it, but definitely this is a product I will be happy to use in the winter, like underneath my wigs for my cornrows, because my hair will stay moisturized and almost indefinitely. I'm just gonna put this up into one of my favorite styles, which is like a high puff with like some bangs. So I'm just gonna take out the little face framing pieces. So now, like, just to kind of get the front pieces of my hair where I want it, I take a little bit of gel and I like section off the ends and then just smooth some gel on it and finger coil it. So guys, this is the finished style, and that is my review of the products that I received in my Curl Box Breathe box, featuring products from Qhemet Biologics. This was a non-subscription box. I'm not sure if it's sold out yet, but it was set to retail for $100, and from Curl Box I got this box for $40. This is not a part of the monthly subscription, which I do have the monthly subscriptions, which should be here about another week and a half. So I will come back and give y'all a look at what is in this month's Curl Box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Ooh, go to movies now.